Hi, my name is Matthias and I'm volunteering here at the African Wildlife Orphanage in Zimbabwe. Today I am honored to be getting groomed by Cindy, the Samango monkey. And Samango monkeys love grooming.
The African Wildlife Orphanage 𝘊𝘩𝘪𝘱𝘢𝘯𝘪 was established in 1973 by ex-game ranger Vivian Wilson. Today it is run by his son, Kevin Wilson, together with his wife, Nikki, and their daughter, Michaela, and son, Ryan. The Wilsons, together with their devoted staff, run one of the largest and most successful wildlife rehabilitation centers in Africa, dedicated to the rescue and care of orphaned, injured, abandoned, or confiscated wild animals in southern Africa. Volunteers from all over the world are welcomed here to assist in the day-to-day activities at the center. These activities can include the maintenance of enclosures, trying to catch the sheep, to give them their medical shots, and assisting in the research projects inside the center, but also outside in the national park.
I'm currently in the Matopa Hills. It's absolutely stunning here.
Volunteers help locate and switch out batteries of the camera traps that are set in place by the orphanage to study various animals, including the elusive and endangered brown hyena. Many animals fall victim to humans, such as predators that get poisoned by farmers. They too can find refuge here at the orphanage. Every day, food needs to be prepared for hundreds of animals, and of course, handed out to these animals, which is one of my favorite activities as a wildlife volunteer.
We are catching some grasshoppers for Freddy Chameleon.
And for Jackal, the large-eared bush baby. During the weekend, we traveled to Victoria Falls, Africa's largest waterfall. During the next day, I ventured into the natural reserve on horseback. This made the wildlife more comfortable with our presence, although perhaps a little too comfortable, since we found fresh lion prints at sundown. During this ride, I swore I could hear Amalia screaming in the distance as she jumped off a cliff nearby.
Amazing!
Before heading back to the center, we paid a visit to the world's largest land animal.
So we are walking up to the African bush elephant. Absolutely stunning.
I got to meet the matriarch of the herd, the calf, and the enormous bull. And they apparently love horse pellets. Besides being a wildlife rescue center, doing research and educating thousands of kids on animals via their Zimbabwe school program, 𝘊𝘩𝘪𝘱𝘢𝘯𝘪 also has an important mission of rehabilitating and releasing as many animals as possible.
Today it is a little bit of a dream come true, and I'm about to release an African rock python back into his natural habitat. It's a big one.
Oh my god.
We're about to find some rhinos.
See them all together like this. In a few years, unless we do something drastic, they will be history. They'll be pictures and memories. They won't exist on the planet anymore.
If you are in Africa, see these animals in the wild. That's probably one of the things that people can do.
100%.
Because ecotourism is the main income source for the conservation of rhinos. I'll show you more about my white rhino experience in a future video. Stay tuned. I concluded my volunteering adventure suitably with a boat trip on the Zambezi River, the lifeline of millions of humans and animals in this region. It gives me great hope to see a protected area like the Zambezi thriving and abundant with life. It shows the positive effect that dedicated conservation work can have. These last moments gave me time to reflect on my experience. The challenging moments, the exciting times, the friendships made, and all the amazing animals that I got to meet and care for. From the tiniest to the biggest. Do you love animals? Do you want to enrich your life and protect our natural world? If so, a wildlife volunteering experience is for you.